Well, hello there. Yeah, our good friend John up there in Antrim sent us down this. We gave it a bit of a service and a once over and tuned it up. It was a little off. Now it's okay. Now I don't know anything about these, but I'm told that this is a rare bird. That there is not too many of these things about, and it's in excellent condition. I just said I'd make a bit of a video. There's nothing going on today. Oh, that was about. Alright, so as I said, we gave it a tune up and cleaned all the controls and whatnot. We just said we'd make a little video showing it. Typical Cybernet case. It's under the label of Gammon Stereo, Lafayette in Switzerland. And as I said, in excellent condition. I've never seen one of these before, never heard of one, and interesting to say the least. So thanks for sending it down for us to have a little bit of a play with, John. Hello, radio. One, two, hello, hello. Ah. Very quiet today. Sorry about the dust, John.
6 React 11, hello, 6 11 meter band, 13 Echo Kilo 111 Germany, 13 Echo Kilo 111. I'm calling and listening in 570, in 570.
He was pretty decent. Yeah, so anyway, as I was saying, thanks for sending it down for us to have a little play with, John. And interesting. And you can hear there now, she bang on, 12 o'clock, everything is a-okay. So 73 all, and we'll get you in the next one.